If you or your team are running outbound campaigns on LinkedIn, this video might be for you. Especially if you work remotely or your team works remotely and it's hard to get everyone into like a photo studio and improve their LinkedIn profile pictures, this might be for you. So let me share my screen. What I'm gonna go over is quickly to how to use FLUX, which is a very, I would say, the newest image generation model out there from Black Forest Labs, and how to use that to create professional looking LinkedIn profile pictures to increase the conversion rates of your campaigns. I mean, you might know it yourself, like if you get a connection request, like the profile pictures are right in your face. And I think from our experience, and you might have noticed the same, the profile pictures are quite important. But if you have a remote team, it's not so easy to actually get everyone to get good pictures basically done. A lot of our team at Talmor is based in the Philippines. Some of them are also quite remote. So I looked into how to get this done by using AI. And with Flux and fal.ai, which I mean, we can look at some examples. So the model is pretty amazing what it can get done. Here are some of the pictures they showcase on their website. And one way to use this pretty easy is via fal.ai. So if you log in here, you can actually train your own LoRa. So you basically have to teach it and train it based on a couple of pictures of you yourself or your team members. And the example I ran before is one of the team members at Talmor. So this is basically Zane's old picture, and this is the new picture we were able to generate with AI. So I think a very cool improvement without actually Zane having to go to a photo studio or like getting everything done, and it was done pretty fast and very easy. And I just want to quickly run you through how to actually get this done. So you just have to sign up at fal.ai, basically use their train Flux LoRa fast option here. You just have to get, I got 10 pictures from Zane, and just add those images, just name it. You have to give it a trigger word. So basically you're training the AI model, like who is Zane, right? So like you have to make this clear by the file name. You upload it, you give it a trigger word. So that's basically what you then use in your prompts, and you just start the whole thing. And now this is gonna train a new model. I did it before, but just for the sake of showcasing it. So it does actually recognize it as faces, and now it's going over the different iterations of training the model, going over 100 iterations here. And I'm just going to pause quickly the video. It doesn't take too long, but I'm just going to pause quickly and then come back once it's done. All right, so this roughly took 4 minutes to finish, and now we can actually run inference on it and I'll put our prompt here. I just want to copy over something here I put together before. You can have a look at it. Yeah, let's make it a little bigger. Generate a professional headshot for a LinkedIn profile of Zane. Zane should be dressed in business attire, including a crisp white blouse and a blue blazer set against a neutral light-colored background. Zane should appear confident, approachable, and polished, with a warm smile to enhance the friendly and professional appearance. Ensure the lighting is soft and even, highlighting facial features without creating harsh shadows. The makeup should be professional with natural tones, and the skin should have a matte finish.
avoiding excessive shine. The image should be framed from the shoulders up with some space above Zayn's head to create a well-balanced composition. The style should evoke modern professionalism suitable for connecting with high-level executives. And we simply run this here. You have some additional settings, for example, how many pictures and so on. You can also, I don't know, if you like a seed, you can put it in there, and then you can run a couple of different tries. All right, so this is one picture, yeah, going into the right direction. And then you simply, you want to randomize, and the first try usually is not the best. It's like taking pictures in person as well. Like you take a couple and pick the best one. So same here. So what I would do is I would actually increase the number of output pictures and then simply run it. And it doesn't take too long. The cost here is also not crazy. So it's like 3.5 cents per image generated. And you see it generates a couple of pictures. This one is nice. So maybe I would pick this one. You can just download it. And basically, in our case, if we look at, we bring up the actual final result we ended up using. Again, looks like this. I like it. I couldn't tell that it's AI. It looks like a nice picture of her. She likes it. I like it. It looks definitely more professional than the old one we had in the profile, and pretty fast and easy, a very affordable way to do it. The other options, there are a bunch of different other services also out there where, you pay like between, I guess, $10 to $30 to generate this. But the training of the LoRa, I think, costs like $2 or something. And then per image generated, it's 3.5, and so very affordable. And the cool thing here is in this setup, you get started within a few minutes, and it's not a subscription, right? So like you spend on whatever you need, and then you don't have to think about it anymore. And whenever you need to generate some images, you can just come back here and use it. So yeah, if that's cool, and if you're interested in the prompt, I can share that. Just reach out to me. Just follow if you are interested generally in how to use AI when it comes to recruiting and or sales, or generally basically outbound motion towards candidates or leads. Cheers.